Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix lag in League of Legends Wild Rift. Although a common cause of lag is a poor internet connection, for the best gaming experience use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. If you're experiencing internet issues, try restarting your router and modem. This will refresh your connection and hopefully solve the issue. Sometimes other programs running in the background can consume bandwidth and processing power needed for it, but close any programs you don't need while playing, like web browsers, streaming services, or other games. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause all sorts of performance issues, including lag. You can download the latest drivers for your graphics card from the manufacturer's website, like Nvidia or AMD. Next, you can try disabling VSync in the game settings. VSync, while intended to make your game look smoother, can actually cause lag for some players. Disabling it might improve your performance. If you are still experiencing lag, try reducing the graphics settings with LW. Lowering settings like texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing can make the game run smoother. Consider using a game booster. These programs can optimize your system for gaming by allocating more resources to avoid closing unnecessary background processes. If you've tried everything and you're still lagging, your internet service provider might be the culprit. Contact them and explain your lag issues. They may be able to find a solution on their end. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.